Before we start the lightning round, we got a call last week from Matt in Washington who told me I should write another book. Well, it's been a busy few days, but Matt, here you go. How to Make Money in Any Market is hitting shelves this fall. My last book came out a dozen years ago, and the market's changed a lot since then. So I wanted to create an updated guide for you about how to make money over the long term. For experienced investors or those just starting out, I want to help you make money in any market. Hey, speaking of let's make money together, it is time. It is time for the lightning round. Cambers and Lights, Robert Goes around the same. It's not going to buy, sell, no core stock questions, not my stamp, play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Skeet that lightning round. I'm going to start with Mark in Florida. Mark.
Jim, I've been listening to you since the day you started.
Oh, my. Good to have you.
Okay, this stock is the Amazon of South Korea. They have $6 billion in cash. They do $30 billion in sales. They're growing at 20% a year. They are projecting for $50 billion in 3 years with 10% EBITDA. Large insider holding, and it's one of Stanley Druckenmiller's top 3 holdings. I bought it at 5 before the IPO, and I'm holding it for my grandchildren to buy houses.
Okay, and what's the stock?
What's your feeling on Coupang?
You know, I think it's an interesting spec. I like it. I don't really know what Stanley's up to because I haven't seen him in a long time. He's a very, very good investor, but I like the idea. I think it's a good call. Let's go to Don in Washington. Don.
Hi, Jim. My question is on USA Rare Earths.
Oh, too speculative, my friend. And like, as we saw from Alcalo tonight, you just we gotta go into a little bit more calm down because we don't know whether tomorrow and after tomorrow we're gonna go right back into the badness. Let's stay away from that. Let's go to George in Arizona. George.
A big old Tuesday booyah to you, Jimmy Chill.
Okay, let's go to work.
All right, let's go to work. I'd like to talk about a stock that's got a $32 billion market cap, nice price action, a decent little dividend, 18.5 forward-facing PE. Ferg, F-E-R-G, Ferguson Enterprises.
Oh, I like Ferguson a lot. Now, Ferguson's part of a whole cohort of stocks that I like. They got brought down when people decided they didn't want the data set anymore. That's a mistake. I think it's in good shape. Let's go to work with Darren in Illinois. Darren.
Booyah, Jim Cramer from
Booyah,
Chicago,
Darren.
Illinois. Thank you. Thank you for trying to help us in these turbulent times.
Oh, you betcha. But we stick together and we make money. All right.
All right. So there's a great American company I wanted to ask you about, CRWV, CoreWeave. They're from Jersey.
CoreWeave will give us up $3 today, and that's a big move for CoreWeave. I am a believer in the data center, but I got to tell you, I feel very lonely out there. I'm not going to hang my hat on it. Let's go to Raymond in Texas. Raymond.
Hey, Mr. Mad Money, this is Raymond from El Paso.
Is it really? What's happening with you?
I'm wondering how you feel about Cinemark in the present and in the future, and how they compare with their competitors in the industry.
Not bad. Not bad. Not great. Not bad. I mean, a lot of these stocks are kind of like just out there. I don't have an edge on that one. I want to go to Noah in Indiana. Noah.
Jim, long-time listener. What's going on, brother? PWR stock. We love.
All right, this is a Stephanie Ling favorite, Quanta. I agree with her. I think it's a buy. I would take something out right here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.